Alright, so Advanced Cyber, we're going to do day 2 and 3 here. So day 2 log analysis, and then day 3, which is going to be OSINT. Alright, so we got the machine started up, right? Let's go ahead and copy that, like right there. Go ahead and hop over into here, new window. We'll see in desktop, try hack me. And I believe I have an Advanced Cyber, yep, Advanced Cyber box, like right there. Go ahead and hop into there. And let's start off with a logging in this guy, I believe. This guy log into one, I believe. Yep. So we got airmon-ng and try hack me. Go ahead and copy that password. We'll go ahead and we'll do an SSH. airmon-ng, yep, at 10.10.136.142. I've already done these boxes. I've been doing them with my stepdaughter. She seems to like them a lot, so it's been a fun time for both of us. So, alright. So if we do an LS, that's the very first question. It says it's SSHD log and also web server log. Do an LS stack LA. We can see that we can read both of those, right? They are owned by us. If we do a PWD, I believe we're actually in our home directory. We are. Okay, so we can read everything that's in there, right? So let's go ahead and start off with the questions and see how we can answer these. So we already did our LS. We saw 2, web server.log, right? And now it says what date was it taken, right? So we can go ahead and cat web server.log, and we stop that. Now, if we look at the 18th of November on a calendar, we'll be able to see that that is a Friday. So we know that Friday was right when the Naughty or Nice list was stolen. Okay, was the IP address of the attacker? Easy day right there. Okay. If we didn't know, or if we didn't think that was the IP address, we're going cat scripts IP. Nope. What did I call it? Could have swore I have a thing in here to be able to grep for IP addresses. I'm going to call it grep something. Grep for IP address.text. We can go ahead and do this like right here. And then we can do it for the file name of webserver.log. And we see that we get the IP address coming through like crazy, right? So we just think that that is most likely the IP address like right there. What's up, Black Areas? How you doing? Kastronomy, how you doing? Krypton, how you doing? All right, so we got that guy like right there. So we answered a bunch of questions just by catting it, right? This says, what's the name of the important list the attacker stole from Santa? So what I did for this one was I went ahead and I did a cat webserver.log, and then the very first thing I grepped for was list. And obviously I brought up a lot of stuff like right there. I was like, okay, cool, let's try Santa. And I think it brings up even more. Okay, nope, not nearly as much, okay. I started looking through here and I just found Santa's list.txt. If we would have done like a list.txt, that would have just brought it straight to us, okay? Or also we could have done wget. So we could have grepped for wget, because obviously if the person was on a Linux system and they downloaded it, it would most likely be a wget. So we can see, okay, cool, we grepped for wget. And last time it actually worked for me. This time it doesn't look like it is. So last time I was able to actually see everything with that wget. I was actually able to see like what the wget was for. But this time we're not seeing the Sam's list with wget. Maybe because, oh, you want to why? Because I didn't do attack I. That's why. Attack I wget, and there's our Santa list.txt. All right, remember that attack I is we don't care if it's lowercase or uppercase, right? So there we go. Okay, the last question is, what is the flag that was stolen, right? So let's go ahead, and that's not going to be in the web server log. It's going to be in the SSHD log. So we can cat that SSHD log. Then we can grep for THM. All right, and then there we go. THM, Santa's list. So this box is really just all about grep, like right there. Okay, now we have our open source intelligence one, right? Very first question is, well, we have to first know what the web server is, which is static gift shop. So if we go ahead and we do a as lookup, a dig, and a who is. That's why I did that first. I did a who is. So who is that guy like right there? All right, I scroll up. I do get a registrar's name in here. At least I believe I do. Yep, registrar, namecheap.incorporated. So we go ahead and we grab that, right? Easy day. Yeah, I believe that's the very first question that it asked. Yep. Find the website source code on GitHub. So for this one was a little bit, I first tried to Google it and try to, you know, do some different stuff. But then I just searched on GitHub. I just searched for, what was it? These 3 things. So I ended up using Santa Gift. Then we get this. It says source code of Santa Gift Shop website. Okay, click on there. And I did actually see a couple posts on this, so people were getting confused. They were going to wp-config.php, which that would obviously be the WordPress site, right? But they also have a config.php like right here, which is going to give us the rest of our answers. So there's our flag right there. Database name is Santa Gift Shop for QA, right? And also for prod, Santa Gift Shop, okay? And looks like the user is Ubuntu, password of Santa 2022, and we have another site like right here, qa.santagift.shop. So that would actually answer the rest of the questions right there. And that is everything for the day 2 and 3 of Advent of Cyber.